Hey everyone, it's Neil, and everyone's talking about the Stanley mugs, so I guess I had to get one for myself. So let's check this out and see. This is going to be the color of it, whatever color that is. I'm colorblind, so you just have to bear with me, but let's open this up and see what a Stanley mug actually looks like. So this is it here. Oh, it kind of has the stuff here. It says it's a different type of tumbler. It's a Flowstate tumbler, the Quencher H2O, 40 ounces. So that's going to fit a lot of stuff on there. So this is what it looks like here. This is the Quencher. Look how big that is. That's huge. And then it's got some cardboard on it. But here we go. It's got that little rotating top, and then that's what the inside looks like. And it's got this lid, which you can rotate here. There's the first time rotating it, and so you could put a straw through there, or you could sip through there if you wanted to do it that way, and then I guess you could just close it up like that to sip through it, or you can use it like this way here, and then stick a straw through it, and it comes with the straw. I stuck the straw through it with the plastic, but it sticks through in there, and then you can just have it that way. And so how cool is that? And I just pulled the little rubber part out of it. I guess you can take it out to clean it and stuff, so it's kind of cool. And then it just screws on there. And you can see it's got a nice little rubber part on the handle here to kind of give it a little bit of grip to you. On the bottom, it's got screwed on there with these screws there. It's got the Stanley silk screen on there. What did it have on the bottom? Got all sorts of information on the bottom of the Stanley information. And it's got this paper on it. It's kind of cool. Very nice little vacuum sealed, 40 ounce Stanley mug. So very cool. I like it. I'm going to say these are really cool. This is going to keep it going for the whole day. So I'll just have this, fill it up with water. And probably if I drink 40 ounces of water in a day, I'll be nice and fully hydrated. So super cool. Thumbs up from me on this. Links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some more reviews soon.